Good morning, guys. I will help you to upload the videos for the test portfolio. If you can't upload it from your iPhone, so you just go to the voice memo, the speaking test. You press on this one, then you press email. Then you just send it to your normal email. You press. Just let me change this one. So you press 2, then you just type your email, and you press send. So it will be sent in your email. So then you click in Google Chrome. You just type whatever is your email, if it was Hotmail or Gmail. My email is a Gmail email. So here we are. Here's the speaking test. So you click on it. Then you go to download. You just wait until it's downloaded. Then you right click on it, show in file. Then here it is. You just copy it. Then you go to desktop. You press paste. So here it is. Then you go here again and sign into Blackboard. Login. Then you press on the listening and speaking course. Then you go to content. Then unit 2. You will find here portfolio 2. You click on it. Then there's something called attach files. So you press browse my computer. Then you search for your file. Here it is, speaking test. You click on it. Then you just press open. It will be here. File name, speaking test. Just make sure it is the right file. Then press submit. Then it will say success. That's how you upload the video from PC.